Hey guys, this is part 1 of planning my father-in-law 90th birthday. So I'm going to show you how to make a memory signing book. Using my Cricut, I custom made a design that says his name, which is Francis, his age, 90th, and then birthday. And inside the 0, it's a man playing the saxophone. Father-in-law is into jazz, so we decided to go with the colors gold, black, navy, and also some white. I bought this beautiful gold shiny vinyl at Michael's. Once my decal all cleaned up, I'm going to place a clear stencil on top. A little tip to save money, this clear sticky paper is actually to cover your books, and I actually buy it at the dollar store. So it's very inexpensive and it does the trick. Remove the paper and then you're ready to stick it to your book. This is a plain book that I bought at the dollar store, very inexpensive, and it's just going to look very, very sharp and expensive. Carefully remove the clear sticky paper and you will see your design will stick right to your book, just like that. For some reason, I had a difficult time cutting the vinyl. It was a little bit tricky, so I had to create the pieces separate. So this is why I have Francis 90 and then the TH separate and then the birthday separate. And you just remove the last paper and look how beautiful and shiny and professional this looks. And now the book is ready for the guests to write inside any memories or just sign this beautiful book. I really hope that he's going to love it. So this was part 1 of making my father-in-law 90th birthday. So keep on watching because there's going to be plenty more to come. Hope you guys enjoyed.